Thank you for buying this 21940-81 cat art display from Fixture Displays. The size is fairly small, about 4.7 by 4.8 inches. Made from 2 layers of sheet metal that are split from the bottom and has a spacer welded to allow it to stand on its own. You can easily wall mount this as well. Just use a couple of screws to fasten to your wall. This is a nice piece of art, and in this family of 21940, if you go to fixturedisplays.com, you can find a variety, a large selection for other different animals and shapes. This is made from sheet metal, powder coated black. It's an excellent item to put on your desktop, your mantle, office, bookshelf, or a nightstand. This abstract piece of art captures the essence of a cat, and I hope you like this video. Remember, like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Display.